Yeah, we are going to start a new chapter called surds. Actually, surds, we do have surds. We do have surds like in our chapter 1, in the ending, it will be like a small definition. Have you remember, Avinash, Akash?
Yes. Sir, we are having surds.
Yeah. You just have a definition like, no? And you don't have, this all we have discussed yesterday. Yes, I will maximize the screen. Right, can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir, you can see, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Generally, we have a small topic in class 9. It is given very small topic and some problems based on this in the last exercise. And in IIT Math, it will be like a big topic and it will be continued in +1 and +2. That means an intermediate. Okay, no? It's very big topic in intermediate. So we shall see it now. So all the basics and fundamentals we'll learn which are related to intermediate in the IIT Math. So first, let us see the definition. Can anyone know the definition without saying the textbook? Can you say? In our regular math textbook, let us give the chance for the new boy, Vishal. Vishal, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please say the definition of a surd in your own words?
Sir, surd means a combination of that was rational and irrational numbers, sir.
Rational and irrational. So this is the surd?
I think so, sir.
Right. Akansh, what is your answer? Akansh, are you there? Are you attending in your brother's class, Akansh?
No, sir.
What is the meaning of surd?
Surd, sir.
In your own words, you can say, I'm not conducting any exam here.
Nth root A, sir.
Nth root A, okay. Chandana? Chandana?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Sir,
okay.
I can give examples, sir.
Yeah, tell me. No problem.
3 root 2 is a surd if...
this is a...
3 root 2 is a surd as it has 2 is a non-perfect number which cannot be cancelled with order 3.
Okay, well tried. Among you both, Vishal, Akansh, and Chandana.
Sir, you are having RF on surds also, sir.
I am writing your marks here. Vishal got 3 by 5. Akansh got 2 by 5. Chandana got 4 by 5. Okay. Let us see the correct definition. I'm writing some numbers now here. Root 2, root 4. This is called cube root. Cube root 27 I will write. And cube root 9 I will write. So we say a point here, order. Order means from our childhood onwards, we are learning like square root. Okay? We read like a square root, no? We say like square root of 2. Yes or no?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Without knowing, we are learning their only order. There no teacher says that square is the order. Square is the order. Square is nothing but order. So that first one, order is 2. So I will write here 5 again, you will get confusion. First one order is 2. And here also order is 2. And here order is 3. And here order is 3. Okay, that is about order. And what is the need of order? Yes, we have to express the number which is present inside the root for order of some number. So I cannot write 5 as power 2. But I can write 4 as 2 power 2. Can I write or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And I cannot write 27 as power 3. I can write, I cannot write.
We can't read.
We can, sir. We can write.
We can. 3 power 3. And 9, I cannot write
3
power 3.
squares. Yes,
Square I will write. Power 3 I can't write.
3
Here
square.
I used the word cannot, can, cannot, can. Here I will say cannot. Here I will say can. Here I will say can. Here I will say can't. So the can't are nothing but surds. These are surds. Okay, these are not surds. So one more, let us extend this conclusion. And this is purely irrational number, and this is the irrational number. Okay, no? This is purely irrational number, and this is also irrational number. And what about these two are rational numbers? Okay,
Rational numbers, sir.
rational
Yes,
numbers.
sir.
Now let us have the definition of a surd. Nth root A, we read as nth root A. None of this is nth root A. Okay, but this is we are reading square root 2 because what is the n here? 2. That's what we are reading square root. And this one we are reading cube root. And this one we are reading fourth root. And this one we are reading fifth root. Okay, now cube root, square root, fourth root, fifth root. Order is 2, order is 3, order is 4, order is 5. Okay. In nth root A cannot be expressed as nth power of some number or some rational number, whatever it may be. So see here, A we are not able to write some power of n, yes or no? We should not write. Suppose this is the exam we are conducting. We should not get 100 by 100. If you get 100 by 100, it is a rational. It is a not surd. If you get 99, it is a surd, like that. You have to remember like that. Not word is important. A cannot be expressed as nth power of some number. Then nth root A is called surd. That is the definition. A cannot be expressed as nth power of some rational number or number. Then nth root A is called surd. Now you got clear idea about surd, no?
Yes, sir, got, sir.
Now I will open the page and I will show you some types of, generally this definition only we learn in class 9, our regular math. Now we have a little extension in our IIT math, types of surds and all we'll learn now. Let us check now. I'll open the page. Just give me a second. You can take the screenshots. You can't write all these points, no. Just take the screenshots. So in this chapter, what we learn? Definition of surd, types of surd, simplest form of the surd. Simplest form in the sense, suppose 10 by 15, I will write 2 by 3. In general, this is. Likewise, surds also we can simplify. And comparison of two surds means which is big, which is small. Operation on surds. Operation means plus, minus, into, division. Don't think operation is what? Operation means this 4 only. And rationalizing, you know. Rationalize the denominator. You know, no? That first chapter,
Yes,
last
sir.
exercise.
Yes,
Square
sir, we
root
know,
of a
sir.
quadratic surd. This is new for you. Again, it is intermediate topic. These are intermediate topics, no? Only you might be known. This one only you know. Rationalization only we know. This is our 9th topic. Let's all our intermediate topics. Okay, these are the topics we learn here. Now let us see types of surds. In our 9th regular math, we don't have any types of surds. Just we learn surd. I'm scrolling up. Please check. So definition we have seen. Once again, please read in mind. No need to read out. Just read in mind. And here the important thing is nth root is called radical sign. Please see this. N is called order or radical, and A is called radicand. These are very much important. Radical sign, radical, radicand. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
This is radical sign, radical, radicand. Remember like that. Nth root, Na. Radical sign, radical, radicand. Okay? Next. These words are important. Further we use and see here. This order having third order on cubic surds, fourth order biquadratic. Biquadratic. In polynomials, we have biquadratic polynomial. No, biquadratic. Likewise, yes. Power 4 is their biquadratic polynomial. Likewise, here order 4 biquadratic. And now we are learning the type of surd. First surd is simple surd. No? You can check once or take the screenshot as you wish. A surd consisting of only one term. Only one term. Generally, only one term. Monomial will say, no? Monomial. Here,
yes, sir.
Simple surd or monomials. See here, all single terms only there. All single only there. Okay, that is a simple surd. Right? Shall I scroll?
Yes, sir.
All right. The student under name Vijay. Vijay, if you are class 9, please unmute and talk to me. If not, no need. Yeah, please check none of this one. Quadratic surd. Monomial. Quadratic surd, the name itself we have. What is the order? 2.
2, sir.
That means square roots. All square roots are called quadratic surds. Okay, now? All cube roots.
Okay,
all cube roots are called cubic surds. Cubic surds. Name itself gives the definition. Next, biquadratic, already there. Order is for 4th root. Biquadratic. Next, these are one type over. Okay, monomial, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic. One group completed. Now, next definition. Pure surd. Pure surd in the sense, the surd which has unity only as the rationalizing factor. The other being irrational is called pure surd. That means here you see nothing is outside, only one is there, only one, like that. So we don't get any rationalizing factor like that. The surd which has unity only as rationalizing factor. Then first one we saw like simple surd. Simple and this are both are same. Similar these are.
Okay, sir.
Pure and simple both are same.
Pure.
Both are same. And mixed in the sense it will be having some factor. No. See, here 7 is there, here 2 is there. Okay.
Yes,
Then combination of rational and irrational. Okay, no? But we don't have any plus and minus. Again, that will go to different definition. It is a factor like this, only have to remember. Rational and irrational. Okay, mixed surd. Pure and mixed opposite, children. Pure and mixed opposite. There will be no number here. Here is a number. That's all. And compound. The name itself says compound in the sense combination. What combination? Algebraic sum means you should have plus, you should have minus, you should have like that. Here plus is there, minus is there, minus is there, plus is there, minus is there. But remember, these should be surds only. All these are surds. Combination of the algebraic sum of 2 or more simple surds. 2 or more simple surds. I'm erasing this work. Please check out. You read in the mind and check. Okay. So you should have plus and minus, and compulsory 2 surds should be have. 2 surds. Please check in every combination there are 2 surds at least. Here this is not a surd, of course. This is not a surd.
9, sir.
Oh yeah. 9 is not a surd, but remaining 2 are surds. Like that. And next. The compound surd consisting of only 2 terms, binomial. So here this is the binomial surd, this is the binomial surd, this is the binomial surd. Okay, now from compound surd we are defining another surd, that is the binomial. Okay, understand? From compound surd only binomial surd will come, trinomial surd will come. If suppose 3 terms are there, what it is? What it is?
Trinomial.
Trinomial. Okay, now 3. Yes. Hope you understand. I'm erasing this. If you take the screenshot. It will be like rough. So now you can take a screenshot. Right. Next page we will go. Now once again, I will erase this. Take the screenshot. It will, of course, material we have not provided. No, till material gets, we have to read from screenshots. Okay, let's check now. I'll erase this. Right. Now you can take the screenshot. All the definitions have come here. Please take a screenshot. Okay, no? Right? Shall we move next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. The next page, we learn like some more definition. Polynomial surd, similar surd, dissimilar surd. That's all. Only two more definitions. See here, polynomial surd. Polynomial surd, in the sense, the name itself shows it is a polynomial. A compound surd consisting of more than two terms. So just now we saw two surds and three surds, binomial and trinomial. But here, how many are there? More than two. More than two. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Please check. Actually, more than two, not actually, this is more than three. No. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, now? Monomial, binomial, trinomial. This is multinomial in polynomials. But here we'll give the name polynomial. That's it.
Sir means having more than 3, sir.
Oh, yeah, more than 3. And the next one, like, unlike, similar. Like in the sense they have the same order. See here, square root, all square roots are there, see? Okay? If the order is same, similar surds. Order is not same, dissimilar surd. Here they give wrong explanation here. 5, 7 root 5. Last one don't consider, no. This one is wrong given. These are all square roots. Yeah. The dissimilar means I'm writing here. Please check. 6 root 2, 6 cube root 3, 2 fifth root 7. Order is not same. The order is not same. They are called dissimilar. Again, third one, they gave the same example as dissimilar. Please don't consider it's the wrong print. Okay, no? Right. Next. Simplest form of the surd. Now we are going to the sums. Okay. Now, beginning phase. First one completed. Definition of surd, types of surds completed. First topic is completed, right? Now, what is the second topic?
Simplest form of a surd.
Simplest form. We are going to the topic now. Just check it out. Yes. Simplest form means if I give you a number 10 by 15, you will do cancellation and what you will write?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. You will write 2 by 3. If I give you 625, what you will write? 5 power or 25 power 2 and you will cancel and you will tell me 25, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But now what is going to happen? It is not comes like a simplified, totally simplified, something to be simplified. That means I will give you 128. No. 128 you will write like 64 into 2. What is the root of 64?
8, sir.
This is 8 to root 2, no? Can we write 8 root 2? Can we write 8 root 2? Yes. The difference between root 64 and root 128, root 64 we will get like 8, root 128 we will get like 8 root 2. That means in the at the end or in the result, again irrational number will come, again surd will come. Then only it is the simplest form. If already simplified and expressing like a not a surd, it is not a simplest form. Now you understand. 32 we are writing as 42 and 175. So we are making into simplest form. Please once check now, 2 examples.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? Right. And comparison, next one is comparison, second topic. Comparison means which is big, which is small. We're going to the next page. This is the comparison. Yeah. The order once you check, first one, cube root 19, cube root 13. So these two are compared. Cube root 19 and cube root 13 are compared. 7th root 80, 7th root 93 are compared. What is the condition we are following when comparing? Can anyone say?
Sir, we are seeing that which is bigger and which is smaller.
Should be.
Yeah. Vishal, Chandana, see once.
Sir, that the cube root will be same, sir.
Cube root?
Sir, order should be same now.
Means the cube root should be same.
Yeah. Order should be same. Vishal is saying, listen, order is same. Okay? Order is same. Right? Like that. Then only we can compare. Next, addition and subtraction of like surds. Like surds can be added like this. Like surds in the sense, same root, root 5, root 5, root 5. And one more thing, 4 root 5, 6 root 5, and 4 root 7, 6 root 5. Just compare not only the order, the third is not the same. See once.
Yes, sir.
This
They
is
are
unlike.
sir.
Unlike, right. So like surds can be added. That means in our 6th class we learn 2a plus 3a can be added as 5a. And 2a plus 2a square we can't add. No?
Yes, sir. Unlike terms.
Sir.
Okay. Understood? Just check it out. Next. So, if you understand the subtraction of like surds and 4, 6 off is added, 21 by 2. Multiplication and division of surds. These rules already there in our regular 9th, no? Just check it out. These rules there, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Same
sir.
order we can. Okay, no? Right. Here just simplifications, you see. 4 3s we can multiply. This we can multiply. Just check it out that. Next. There's some worked examples. So these are some formulas. Just check it out. These formulas also there in our regular math. A plus b into a minus b, root a square minus root b square, you will get a minus b. This is also a square minus b square.
Yes, sir.
A square minus b. The a plus or minus given. If it is plus, plus will come, minus will come. This is there, no, you never regular math. It's not new.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me erase this. Next, yeah. Please check this example. Root 1000, root 0.076 by 6.76. Once check the answer, have you understood or not? Don't do, just check.
Sir, in solution, it's like under root 1000 of under root 0.26 and also how is that, sir?
Yeah, that's what. Actually, 676 is the square of 26. Okay, no?
Translate.
So 676 means we will get 26. That is that we know. So, but here decimal is there, no. 0.0676 there, no. Decimal after how many digits there, Avinash? Akansh? 4 digits there. 676 answer is 26. But 4 digits means in the root we will get 2 digits, no? Like this one will come.
Yes, sir.
In the denominator 2 digits are there, no? So 1 digit will come. What is it will come now here? Again, we have to simplify this two. Under root 0.26 by under root 2.6. We can write in the same root like this. We can write, and here 2 digits there, here 1 digit there. Means here by 100 will come, by 10 will come. 1 0 cancel. Okay, no? Or else you can do by your own and tell me your answer.
Yes, sir.
You do and tell me your answer. I'm writing the question. This is the question. Right, Nano?
So 10 I got, sir.
10 you got. Vishal and Chandana?
Sir, 10th root to 10 I got, sir.
10th root, huh? Vishal? Vishal said. Chandana, yours? Chandana. Okay, maybe signal problem. Here 1000 and here into 0.26. Here 2.6. Okay, no? And this 2 digits, 2 zeros I will cancel by 2.6. And 2.6 means I will get 26 by 10. This 10 will go up into 10. This 2 cancel. 10 into 10. Answer is 10. Okay, now? Right. Next question I'll see. I'll open the screen again. Yeah, please see the next question, Nano. Are you understanding? Or if you're not understanding, please do on your paper and ask me the doubt. Check in the paper, you work on the paper and you ask me. First one a plus b into a minus b, second one a plus b whole square. Third one, you have to simplify simplest form. You should write the simplest form. Third sum, simplest form, Nano. You might be understand the solution, what is there on the board. The first and second, okay, you can do. What about third sum? You understood? Third sum, what did you know?
Yes,
280, we wrote as 2 root 70. Root 70. You can do by your own
Sir,
also.
that is a 4 into 70, sir. Yes, sir, you can do, sir.
You can do by your own also, but you did like that because of root 70 is common. Here 1 plus 2, here 1 plus 2, this 2 cancel, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Third sum, no? This will not be in our regular math. These are IIT problems. Third sum, I'm explaining here. If you understand, okay. If not, on board, I will explain. You know cross multiplication?
Sir. X square is equals to root 8 minus root 3 whole square.
Yeah. I think Avinash, just check no. Cross multiplication. Okay.
Yes, sir.
X into x, x square. And 8 plus root 3, 8 minus root 3 comes as a square minus b square again. 8 minus 3, 5. Then square goes that side, square root. You know this. X square is equal to 5. X is equal to under root 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Chandana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth sum. Fourth sum, please. Fourth sum, cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. It is a little confusing, like I will tell you. Otherwise, we go to the board. Why cube we do? You know, here x is there. In the solution, x power 3 is there. In the solution, x power 3 is there. Okay. So, power 3 is needed. Obviously, we do cube on both sides. This is the hint. Cubing on both sides, you must know the formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A is this, b is this. Here 3 cancel. Here 3 cancel. 3 cancel means you will get 2 nana here. Here 2 power 2 4 you will get. And you see this value becomes, I'm writing up 2 power 1 by 3 into 2 power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. You will get 2 power 1 plus 2 by 3. You will get 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now? This is totally 2. So what is there in front of 2? What is there here?
3.
3. 2 3s are how much?
3, sir.
6. 2 3 are 6. And bracket term is x, nana. Check. Bracket term is x. Yes or no? I kept arrow mark. This bracket only x. So that x came here. It was simplified like this and brought all the terms to the left side. We got 0 on the right side. That is only asked. Here 6 is common, nana. Here last. Okay. This is intermediate problem. Understood, or I shall say in the board?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Here are the 4 sums. Next, yeah, that's all. Once again, I will show the, what is this? This was missed. This is 36 now. 36 page, 37. Yes, 37 page is like all the definitions. Once please check now. 37, please take the screenshot. Tomorrow I will ask you these definitions. 37th page. What is a surd? Quadratic surd, cubic surd, biquadratic surd, pure surd, mixed surd, compound surd, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, and some formulas. So what did we learn today? This is all there in this page. Nuts and bolts means revision, summary.
Okay, sir.
Right. The last 2 sums are there. If you try means try. We shall close the class. See now this. Beginning only I said, what is radical, radicand? Nth root is called. Nth root is called? Can anyone say?
Radical sign.
Radical. Radical sign, radical. Both are correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one. A is called.
A is called radicand.
Very good.
B is option B.
Radicand, sir.
Okay. So we are starting objective, and tomorrow we shall continue. Some more, yeah, more 2 minutes time is there. And see this now. The radicand of this surd. Radicand means A value. What is A value here?
2010, sir.
2010, yes, sir.
You are right. The order. What is the order here?
Sir, 3, sir. 3.
5, sir.
Okay, 5, sir. 5.
5, no. Surd of order 4 is called?
Sir, known as biquadratic.
Biquadratic.
Biquadratic. Mixed surd. Mixed surd means what did you learn about mixed surd? Rational factor it should be have.
Yes, sir.
Very
Sir,
sad.
A, sir. A.
Option A.
Option A, sir.
Option
2009 root 2010.
Sorry, this one. Very good. This is again compound surd. Next, compound surd is?
That one,
Compounds
sir. A1.
Compounds are all will come.
Yes, sir. All of them.
Okay. Here compound. Binomial means C will come. Here ask monomial. Where is the monomial here?
Sir, root 4,
First
sir.
option
Root
A.
4. Option.
No, option A is not a third. This is 2.
2. Yes, sir.
Sir, option B, sir, because the
B
root.
is correct because we add all these 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 root 3 is the answer.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now you will confuse like this only. Once you take the screenshot, will you do the homework? This one?
Yes, sir, I will do, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I will minimize it. You can do. They're simple only, no? That means we learn all the definitions, points, then only it becomes easy. Directly we go to the problems, we can't do anything. Right? This also I will erase. This 14 sums, please do homework. No, simple only. Of course, you are having your school works, I know. Just whenever you have time, try it. Okay. Please take the screenshot. Okay, now took the screenshot.
Yes, sir. Take
Right
answer.
now.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Yeah. Hope you followed sirs. Okay, this is already our whole topic only, but little extension linked to the intermediate. All will be like this only. Our regular
Okay, sir.
math and little extension. Okay, now? And take care. Do all your school works first. Give preference for school work. Then additional time spend for this. Okay. Thank you. Bye.